Previous class student, we already discussed uh, AA similarity. Clear? Criteria already discussed in previous class. AA similarity criteria we already discussed now here. The second one here, SS similarity criterion. Clear? तो दिस क्राइटेरिया को प्रूव करने के लिए साइड सिमिलरिटी क्राइटेरियन को प्रूव करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, एक थ्योरम हम ले रहे हैं यहाँ पे. थ्योरम हियर, इफ इन टू ट्राइंगल्स, कह रहा है कि अगर दो ट्राइंगल्स हैं, द करिस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर द प्रोपोर्शनल, देन द करिस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल एंड हेंस द टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वी show here the solution. First we draw here the two triangles, triangle ABC. First we draw here two triangles. Right here, triangle ABC and other take a triangle here. Other triangles here, DEF. Take here the other triangle here, DEF. DEF. Take here the two triangles. Clear? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now look the solution of this one here. Solution of this theorem. So first we here, what is right here? Given that. What is right here? First we here, given that. अब हमारे पास given क्या है? तो here is two triangles, triangle ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here is given the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Clear? If two triangles, clear? This point is clear. Then what say about the corresponding sides are the proportional, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are similar. Clear? So next point here given, in which what is given here? Sides proportionals here, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF equal to AC upon is a proportional to DF. These things are given here. Clear? And what prove? प्रूव क्या करना है? टू प्रूव. तो टू प्रूव हियर, तो से बोथ ट्राइंगल्स, ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle DEF is here the similar triangle. Clear? What we proved here? Similar triangle. To prove triangle ABC is a similar triangle DEF. Clear? Now here is the construction here. कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं इसको प्रूव करने के लिए. व्हाट हियर इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन? कट DP इक्वल टू AB. कट DP इक्वल टू AB. अब देखिए DP, तो दिस वन इज द पॉइंट P. ठीक, किसकी इक्वल है? इक्वल टू AB. क्लियर? एंड सेकेंड DQ, this one is the point here is Q. DQ is equal to AC. DQ is equal to AC. Clear? DQ is equal to AC and now join the PQ. अब इस PQ को हम क्या कर देते हैं? Join PQ. Clear? Now look at this one. Remaining portion we write here. Here we write the remaining portion of this solution. Let here the proof. Next heading here, let here the proof. अब हमें प्रूफ करना है. अब प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या ले रहे हैं? ए बी proportional to D, AB proportional to here DP proportional to here DE. Clear? AB upon DE, clear, is equal to AC upon DF. We write here AC upon DF. Clear? So these things is given. ये क्या है हमें? This one is given. And DP is proportional to here DE. Proportional to DE equal to here DQ is equal to DQ is proportional to DF or AC. DP is proportional to DE is equal to DQ upon AC. Clear? क्यों है ऐसा? We write here AB is equal to DP. AB is equal to DP. Right here AB is equal to DP. Clear? And AC is equal to DQ. And AC is equal to DQ. Clear? These things are given. So PQ is parallel to EF. So PQ is parallel to here EF. ऐसा लिखने के बाद हम इसे लिख सकते हैं कि PQ is parallel to EF. Clear? By the converse of BPT theorem. By the converse of BPT theorem. Converse of the BPT theorem. Clear? So angle P right here, angle P is equal to angle E. Angle P is equal to, this angle is equal to angle E. Clear? And Q is equal to angle F. Clear? And angle Q is equal to angle F. Clear? So this one is the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. These are the corresponding angles. Clear? Corresponding angles. Clear? So this one, triangle DPQ, triangle DPQ is a similar triangle, similar to triangle DEF. Clear? So similar to triangle DEF. So we here use the AA similarity. AA similarity. Clear? This one is clear? So right here DP is proportional to DE. DP is proportional to DE is equal to PQ proportional to EF clear. Now here what find here? AB upon DE, AB upon AB proportional to DE clear is equal to PQ upon EF. EF, this one is equation first. What right here? PQ upon EF proportional to EF is here. This one is equation first. Right here DP is equal to AB. So here DP is equal to AB. Clear? Now but look here, but what say about AB upon DE, AB upon DE, AB proportional to DE is equal to BC upon BC proportional to EF, BC proportional to EF. Clear? BC proportional to EF. So this one is the equation. Right here this one is the equation second. This one is the first and this one is here second. Clear? So this one is a given. ये आपकी क्या है? Given. Clear? ये आपको given है. So here from equation first and second, from equation first and second we get. Now look at this equation first and this one is equation second. So this one is the right. Clear? So what we write here? PQ proportional to EF, clear, is equal to BC upon EF, BC upon EF. Clear? From equation first and second. First और second से हमारा ये क्या मिल गया? Then what we write here? PQ is equal to BC. This one is a common here. So base here is equal. So this one is right here. PQ is equal to BC. PQ is equal to BC. Now in triangle, see here, now in triangle, EBC and triangle DEF, sorry, DPQ, clear? So what we get here? AB is equal to DP, clear? And what's here? BC is equal to PQ and AC is equal to DQ. AC is equal to DQ. So triangle ABC, is a congruent triangle DPQ. What we use here? S criteria, side congruency rule. Clear? So say that angle A is equal to angle D. Clear? Angle B is equal to angle P. Angle P, this one is clear, is equal to angle E. Clear? Then angle C is equal to angle Q is equal to angle F. This equal to this equal to this. Clear? F. So here right now here, what's here right here? So triangle ABC and DEF are equiangular. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular. Clear? Equiangular. So hence triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF. Similar triangle DEF by AAA similarity. Clear? This one is a clear proof that here. Clear? And here is the, we'll take here the two triangles are similar. The corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional. Clear? Now next criteria of this SAS, similarity criterion. Clear? Now we discuss here the similarity criteria of SAS.